We're taking a look at the Ed Sheeran Out Loud ES3 Mini Busking Amp by Orange. This thing has 3 watts, one of 3 different sizes that Orange has released with this Ed Sheeran line. And they sent me the smallest, so maybe I need more subs to get the big boys, so subscribe to the channel if you like bluegrass focused content, gear reviews, and all that good stuff. And I'll be honest here guys, I turned down a whole lot of gear that comes through my email box from companies that want to put things in front of you that I just don't think you'd be interested in. But I like this product because despite the fact that I'm not a busker, it does solve some problems that non-buskers often come across. In this case, being able to amplify your guitar without having to worry about a power source. And that is the first really cool feature of a couple cool features about this amp. I'm gonna do some demos here in a second and test out some different pedals on it and also try to loop some Ed Sheeran for you at home. But what's cool about this amp is that it's rechargeable through USB-C, and it says it has up to 12 hours of playback. This does function as a Bluetooth speaker. I assume it's 12 hours if you are playing through your iPod or something, not positive, as opposed to if you're plugged in playing outside for 12 hours. But that is a really great feature of this. Okay, taking a look at the controls, which are minimal. We have the on button here, gives you a chime. Make sure you know that it's working. This is the Bluetooth light indicator, you can pair it. There's also the second knob here, which is the reverb, as well as the shape knob right here. And this is the input. This is the only unit out of the 3 different sizes that only accepts a 1/4 inch for a guitar. The other units do have a guitar microphone combo. Comes with a nifty carrying handle. Let's hear how it sounds. Little chime to start it. Let's hear a little orange on orange with this Boss Classic DS1 distortion pedal. Now with a little bit of digital delay on it. Delay pedals are one of those pieces of gear that sounds really good when other people use it properly, but for me, other than just some like ambient sounding solos on certain songs when I play live, I don't really use a delay at all really. So if you know how to use it, let me know down below. Now let's try it with this Eddy analog vibrato and chorus. This is not my favorite pedal. It replaced a Boss chorus pedal I had years ago, but let's see how it sounds. Kind of lied, that one's really cool. The thing about using effects live, which I don't use a whole lot of, I have some built into my loop station, which I'll sometimes use on a couple songs, but it makes playing easier because there's more places to hide from your mistakes, which is just being honest here. So let me know what you thought of the pedals. Let's pull out the big RC600 and see if we can't do a little Ed Sheeran demo. Haven't looped like this in a long time, but let's try it out.
Ready, go, and...